India's second largest private sector bank, HDFC, announced its first quarter numbers, and Aditya Puri and his team have managed to put up a decent show despite adverse economic conditions. Profit after tax came in at 3,240 crore rupees, a 20% growth from the same period last year, backed by a healthy gain in net interest margins. Profit gains have come despite a considerable rise in bad loan provisions, which stood at 867 crore rupees or 0.32%, up from 0.28% in the previous quarter.
We've been in a sweet spot on the retail side. On the wholesale side, I guess the larger concerns in the system have been with some larger business groups. The other issues could be relating to SMEs and whether there's any trickle-down impact of the slightly slower growth rates in relative to where we were a few years back on the overall SME quality.
It was a slightly different tale for Kotak Mahindra Bank, which saw further strain on the NPA front in the first quarter. Bad loans as a percentage of assets shot up to 1.21% in the June quarter, up from 1.06% in the previous quarter. Profit after tax jumped 742 crore rupees from 190 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. But the numbers are not strictly comparable because of the 600 crore rupee odd merger-related provisioning in the same quarter last year. Net interest income showed a healthy increase of 20% from the year-ago period.
You see the NPA position, I think it is sort of stabilized. Yeah, maybe you're seeing marginal increase in the SME segment now. On growth, really, the commercial piece is showing signs of distinct change in growth, really. Yeah, the corporate also, parts of corporate have definitely started showing signs of growth. The consumer part was always growing well.
With both HDFC Bank and Kotak Mahindra showing some strain on the NPA front, all eyes are now on ICICI and Axis Bank, the big boys of private banking with significant exposure to big corporate accounts. With Neha Bothra, Sonali Krishna, ET Now, Mumbai. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.